Hello student, welcome to my class. Today I am going to discuss chapter number 7, fractions. So we know that when something is divided into some equal parts, each part is called the fraction of a whole. Fractions are three types: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fractions. We are not going to discuss proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction elaborately, because fraction chapter we got in class 4 also. So now we are going to solve exercise 7a. Exercise 7a. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number A, 1/2 of 36. So 1/2 of 36, here of means into 36. So we cut by 2. 1 is 2 and 2 18s are 36. So here answer is 18. They are also 18. Next question B, 1/3 of 45 equal to dash. So 1/3 into 45 equal to, cut 3 1s are 3, 3 15s are 45. So answer is 15. Here 15. Next question number C, 1/4 of 118 equal to dash. So like this we cut 1/4 into 18. 4 1 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 8 4 2s are 8. Answer is 32. Here it is 32. Next question number D, 2/3 2/3 of 39 equal to dash. So 2/3 into 39, we cut with what? 3 3, 1 is 3, 3 they are 3, 3 1 is 3 and 3 3s are 9. So here remain 2 into 13 equal to 26. 13 2s are 26. Answer is 26. Next question F, 3/4 of 100 equal to dash. So 3 by 4 of 100, 3 by 4 of means into 100. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 25s are 100. 3 into 25 equal to 325s are 75. Answer is 75. Next question number 3, 4, 5. It is very easy. You practice you do it at home. Number 6. Question number 6. CHANG, change into mixed fraction. Change into mixed fraction. Question number A. 9 by 4. So it is 9 by 4 is improper fraction because 9 is greater than 4. 9 is greater than 4, that's why it is what? Proper fraction. Improper fraction. So we from improper fraction we change into mixed fraction. So we do divide like this. 9 divided by 4. So 9 divided by 4. 9 4 2s are 8. Here remain 1. Remainder is 1. So we can the mixed fraction is 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4. Number B. 12 by 7. Like same, 12 divided by 7. 7 12. 7 1 is 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So answer, the mixed fraction is 1 5 by 7. 1 5 by 7. Next, number C. 42 by 15. We divide 42 divide 15. So 15 42. 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. We do minus, then 2 1 12. So answer is mixed fraction is 2 12 by 15. Two 12 by 15. Okay. Next, question number 7. Change into improper fraction. Change into improper fraction. From mixed fraction to improper fraction. Question number A. 3 2 by 3. 3 2 by 3. So it is mixed fraction. 3 2 by 3. 3 is whole and this side, this one is whole and this one is fraction. So it is mixed fraction. We write 3 we know this one 3 into 3 plus 2 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 by 3. The improper fraction is 11 by 3. Question number next. D 9 1 by 4. So 9 into 4 plus 1 by 4. 9 4s are 36 plus 1 37 by 4. Next question number F 8 7 by 10. So 8 into 10 plus 7 by 10. 8 10s are 80 plus 7 87 by 10. So improper fraction is 87 by 10. Next we solve exercise 7b. Exercise 7b. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number A. 3 by 4 equal to dash by 24. So we fill up this one, this numerator. So we know that but both fraction are, we write one numerator here to make both fractions are equal. So we know that if like this is there, then what to do? 24 divide by 4 into 3. 24 divide by 4 into 3. So 24 divide 4 equal to 6 into 3. So 6 3s are 18. Answer is 18. Question number C. 8 by 9 equal to 40 by dash. So here also same, there numerator, there we write denominator. So 40 divide 8 into plus not into 9. 40 divide by 8 into 9. So 40 divide 8 equal to 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Answer is 45. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Use multiplication table. Use multiplication to write two equivalent equivalent fractions of use multiplication to write two equivalent fractions of. Question number A, 2 by 5. So we use multiplication. First we write this fraction and multiply with 2. Both numerator and denominator multiply with or by 2. So here 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Second one is again write this same fraction into 3. So it is what? 4 6 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. So here we can write answer 2 by 5 equal to 4 by 10 equal to 6 by 15. 6 by 15. Next, question number C. 10 by 11. 10 by 11, we write two equivalent fraction of 10 by 11. So here we write 10 by 11 into 2. So 2 10s are 20 and 2 11s are 2 11s are 22. Next, 10 by 11 into 3 3. So 3 10s are 30 and 3 11s are 33. Answer 10 by 11 equal to 20 by 22 equal to 30 by 33. Next, question number 3. Write two equivalent fractions using division. Write two equivalent fraction using division. Question number A, 18 by 27. So using division, 18 27, divide. So we see with which number we can divide both 18 and 27. So here we found 3. 18 divided by 3, so 3 6s are 18 and 3 9s are 27. Next, again write 18 by 27, divide. Next, we can't divide by 4, we can't divide by 5 also, 6 also we can't divide, then it is 9. 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. Okay, then we can write answer right. 18 by 27 equal to 6 by 9 equal to 2 by 3. Next question, number 4. Change to like fractions. Question number A, 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. So how to change like fractions? First we write first fraction and multiplied by second fraction denominator. Second fraction denominator, answer is what? 2 5 jar 10 and 3 5 jar 15. Here 10 by 15. Next we write second fraction 3 by 5 into first fraction denominator. So here 3 3 jar 9 and 3 5 jar 15. So here 10 by 15 and 9 by 15. So these are like fractions, because if denominators are same, then we can say it is like fraction. Next question number C, 8 by 9 and 6 by 11. 8 by 9 and 6 by 11 like same. First fraction is 8 by 9 into 11, second fraction denominator equal to 88 by 99. Next 6 by 11 into 9, so 6 9 jar 54 and 11 9 jar 99. So here 99, that's then it is fractions are like fraction. Question number 5. Are the fractions equivalent? Are the fractions equivalent? Question number A, 5 by 6, 15 by 12. So how we check the fractions are equivalent or not? By doing cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication, so we can write what? 5 into 12. 5 into 12 and 15 into 6. 5 12 jar 60 and 15 6 jar 90. So here 60 and here 90. So no, it is the fractions are not equivalent. No. Next question number B, 30 by 75, 2 by 5. 30 by 75, 2 by 5. So there also we do cross multiplication. 30 into 5 equal to and 75 into 5 equal to 3 5 jar 15, that means 150 and 2. So 75 2 jar 75 2 jar 150. So they are also here also 150. So yes, the fractions are equivalent. Next question. Question number 9B. Question number 9, write in D, C and D, I, N, G descending order. Write in descending order. Question number B. (15 by 13, 15 by 17, 15 by 19, 15 by 21, 15 by 16. So we know if numerator same and which denominator is small, it is big. If numerators are same, which denominator is small, it is big. So here small is what? 13. So it is remain in same place. Descending order, it is remain in same place. What? 15 by 13. 15 by 13. Then which one small? 16. 15 by 16. Then 15 by 17. Next 15 by 19. Next 15 by 21. It is descending order. Next, question number 13. Reduce the fractions to lowest terms. So number A 3 by 9. So we cut it and make it short, small. Make it small. So we now cut 3 1 jar 3, 3 3 jar 9. Answer is 1 by 3. Question number B 8 by 18. 8 by 18. We can cut by 2. 2 4 jar 8 and 2 9 jar 18. Answer is 4 by 9. Next number C. Question number C 21 by 14. We cut by 7. 7 3 jar 21 and 7 2 jar 14. Answer is 3 by 2. So next we solve exercise 7C. Exercise 7C. Add. So first 1B. 1B 4 by 15 plus 8 by 15. So if denominator same, we take one denominator 15 and 4 plus 8 equal to 12 by 15. 12 by 15, we cut it 12 by 15, then 3 4 jar 12. 3 4 jar 12, cut by 3, then it is 3 4 jar 12 and 3 5 jar 15. Answer is 4 by 5. Next question number question number D. 7 by 24 plus 5 by 24. So like same 24 we take because the denominator same. So 7 plus 5 equal to 12 by 24. 12 by 24, if we cut with 12, 12 1 is 12, 12 2s are 24. Answer is 1 by 2. Question number 3A. 1 by 1 3 by 8 plus 2 1 by 8. So it is here, it is mixed fraction. If mixed fraction is there, first we change mixed fraction to improper fraction, then we add. So here 8 1 jar 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 equal to 11, 11 by 8 plus 2 8 jar 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 by 8. Now 8 same, that's why 1 taken, then 11 plus 17. So they are 11 plus 17 equal to 20. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. 1 plus 1 equal to 28 by 2. Now cut by 4. We cut by 4. 4 7 jar 28 and 4 2 jar 7. 7 by 2. So if we do mixed fraction, then it is come 2 3 jar 6, remain 1, 3 1 by 2, 3 1 by 2. Next question number B. Question number B, 5 by 6 plus 3 1 by 6. 5 by 6 3 1 by 6. So this one is proper fraction, remains same, 5 by 6 plus this one is mixed fraction, we change into improper fraction. 3 6 jar 18, 1 19, 19 by 6. So here 6 6 same, take 1 6, 5 plus 19. 5 plus 19. Now 19 plus 5 equal to 24 plus 6. Cut by 6. 6 1 is 6 and 6 4 jar 24. Answer is 4. Next, question number 4, subtract. Question number 4, subtract. Number A, 8 by 15 minus 2 by 15. So here 15, because both denominators same. 8 minus 2 equal to 6 by 15. Cut with 3. Cut with 3. 3 2 jar 6 and 3 5 jar 15. Answer is 2 by 5. Next question, C. 2 4 by 9 minus 7 by 9. So 2 9 jar 18. This one mixed fraction we change into improper fraction. 2 9 jar 18. 18 plus 2 22. 22 by 9 minus 7 by 9. So here we take 9 9 same, so 9. 22 minus 7. So 22 minus 7 is equal to 15 by 9. Cut with 3. 5 jar 15 and 3 3 jar 9. So 5 by 3. If we do mixed fraction, then 3 5. 5 1 3 1 jar 3 remain 2. Answer is 1 2 by 3. Okay, we write there no place, we write there that side 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. Next, we solve some examples of exercise. Some examples from exercise 7D. Exercise 7D. Question number 1. Convert. Question number 1, C book. Convert into like fraction and add. So question number 1B. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. So first we change into like fraction, convert into like fractions. So we know how to change into like fractions. We write first fraction into second fraction denominator and 3 by second fraction into first fraction denominator. So here 8 1 is 8 and 8 4 jar 32. Here 3 4 is 12. 3 4 jar 12 and 8 4 jar 32. Now we add 8 by 32 plus 12 by 32. Now 32 8 plus 12. Now 8 plus 12 equal to 20 plus 32. If we cut, then we got with with 4, if we cut with by 4, if we cut by 4, then we got 4 5 jar 20 and 4 8 jar 32. So answer is 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Next, question number 2. Once again add with number A 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Here see denominators are not same. So last chapter we got how to take out LCM. So here we take LCM of 3 and 6. 3, so 3 is prime number, 3, 1 is 3 and 6 is what? 2 by 2, even number by 2, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 is 3. So here 3 equal to 3 into 1 and 6 equal to 2 into 3 into 1. Now LCM equal to common first 3 common and 1 2 remain there 2. So 3 2 are 6. So here LCM equal to 6. LCM is 6. Now here 2 3 how many times go? 3 3 2 are 6 into 3 2 are 6 into 2 plus here 1 and 6 1 is 6 one time. Now 2 2 are 4 plus 1 1 is 1 by 6. So 4 plus 1 5 by 6. Answer is 5 by 6. Question number B 3 by 10 plus 7 by 30. 3 there also denominator different. So we take out LCM 10 30 by 2 5 jar 10 and 3 2 15 jar 30. Now by 5 1 is 5 and 5 3 is 5 3s are 15 and by 3 1 1. So LCM is 2 5 jar 10 and 10 3 jar 30. LCM is 30. So here 3 10 10 3 jar 30 plus here 7 into 31 is 30. Now 3 3 are 9 plus 7 1 is 7 by 30 and 9 plus 7 is 16 by 30. 16 by 30. Now we can cut by 2. 2 8 jar 16 and 2 15 jar 30. Answer is 8 by 15. Question number 3B. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4. So here 5 is prime number and 4 is even number, composite number. So while taking LCM we do multiply. 5 4 are 20. The LCM is 20. So here 3 into 4, because 5 4 are 20 plus 1 into 4 5 are 20. Now 12, 3 4 are 12 plus 5 1 are 1 is 5 by 20. Now 12 plus 5 equal to 17 20. Answer is 17 by 20. Next, six A. Sorry, B. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 15. 1 by 15. So we take the LCM of 3, 5, 10 and 15. You take out the LCM. LCM is 30. LCM is 30. So here 2, 5, 6 jar 30 into 6 plus 3 into 10, 3 jar 30 plus here 1 and 15 2 jar 30. Now 6 2 jar 12 plus 3 3 jar 9 plus 2 1 is 2. Now 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. 21 plus 2 23. 23 by 30. Next question number D, 6D. 19 by 16 plus 5 by 8 plus 5 by 24. So here LCM is 48. Here 19 into 16 3 jar 48. 16 3 jar 48 into 3 plus 5 into 8 6 jar 48 plus 5 into 24 2 jar 48. Now 19 3 jar 57 plus 5 6 jar 30 plus 10 equal to by 48. By 48. Now we add 57 plus 30 plus 10. So 7 8 9 97. 97 by 48. 97 by 48. Answer is 97 by 48. Next, we solve exercise 7E. Exercise 7E. 1. Question number 1B. 4 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4. 4 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4. So both are mixed fraction. First we change into improper fraction. 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2 plus 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 7 by 4. We take out the LCM. LCM is 4. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. Now 9 into 2 2 jar 4 plus 7 into 4 1 is 4. Now 9 2 jar 18 plus 7 1 is 7 by 4. 18 plus 7. 18 plus 7 is equal to 25 by 4. Now mix fraction 4 25. 4 6 jar 24 remain 1. So answer is 6 1 by 4. 6 1 by 4. Question number D. 1 7 by 12 plus 2 7 by 18. 2 7 by 18. This one also mixed fraction to improper fraction. 12 1 is 12 and plus 7 19. 19 by 12 plus 2 18 jar 36. 36 plus 7 43. 43 by 18. Now we take out the LCM of 12 and 18. 12 18. 2 6 9. 3 2 3 2 jar 6. 3 3 jar 9. 2 1 3 and 3 1 1. So here 2 3 jar 6. 6 2 jar 12. 12 3 jar 40 36. 12 3 jar 36. LCM is 36. Now 19 into 12 3 jar 36 plus 43 into 18 2 jar 36. So 3 19 jar 57 plus 40 43 2 jar 86 plus 36. Now we add 57 plus 86. 13 3 1 in my hand. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 1 14. 143. 143 by 36. So if you do mixed fraction, then we get 35 by 36. 35 by 36. 6. Next question number exercise 7E. Exercise 7E. Question number SUBTRACT, subtract. So question number 2A. Question number 2A. 15 by 16 minus 3 by 8. So here LCM equal to 16. LCM is 16. So 15 into 1. 16 1 jar 16 minus 3 into 8 2 jar 6. Sorry, 8 2 jar 16. Next 15 1 is 15 minus 6 by 16. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9 and they are 16. Answer is 9 by 16. Question number C. 13 by 16 minus 9 by 32. So we take out LCM of 16 and 32. LCM is 32. Here 13 into 16 2 jar 16 2 jar 32 2 minus 9 13 1 is 32 1 jar 32. Now 13 2 jar 26 minus 9 1 is 9 by 32. So 16 minus 26 minus 9 is equal to 17 by 32. Next, question number 4A. 4 minus 3 by 7. 4 minus 3 by 7. So here only 4. If nothing is there in down, then we know it here is 1 is there. So LCM of 1 and 7 is 7. Here 4 and 7. 1 7 times go. So into 7. 1 7 jar 7 minus 3 7 1 is 7. Now 7 4 7 jar 28 minus 3 1 is 3 by 7. Now 28 minus 3 equal to 25 by 7. So now mixed fraction 7 3 jar 21 remain 4. 3 4 by 7. Answer is 3 4 by 7. Question number next 7A. Like same 5 minus 3 by 4. 5 minus 3 by 4. Now 5 there are 5 remain and there this one is mixed fraction. We change into improper fraction. 3 4 jar 12 12 plus 3 15 15 by 4. Now here 1 is there, so 1 and 4 LCM is 4 5 into 1 4 jar 4, so 4 minus 15 into 4, 1 is 4. Now 4 5 ja 20 minus 15 by 4. So 20 minus 15 is equal to 5 by 4. So this one, if we do mixed fraction, then 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay, next. Question number, exercise number 7G. Simplify. Simplify. Question number A, 3 by 7 plus 5 by 7 minus 4 by 7 equal to, so here all denominators are same, so we take only 1 7, 3 plus 5 plus minus 4, so 3 plus 5 equal to 8 minus 4 by 7, so here 8 minus 4 equal to 4 by 7. Next, question number D. Question number 1D. 7 3 by 4 plus 2 1 by 4 minus 4. Now this mixed fraction we change into improper fraction. 7 4 ja 28 plus 3 31 by 4, 31 by 4 plus 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9 by 4 minus 4. Now we take out the LCM. There 4 4 and there down 1 is there. So LCM is 4. So 31 4 1 is 4, 31 1 jar 31 plus 4 1 is 4, 9 1 1 jar 9 1 is 9 minus here 4 into 1, how many times go? 4 times. So 4 4 ja 16. So 31 plus 31 plus 9 is equal to 40. 40 minus 4 4 jar 16. 40 minus 16. Now 40 minus 16 equal to 24 by 4. We cut by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 4 jar 4 6 jar 24. Answer is 6. Answer is 6. Question number 2A. 5 minus 1 by 6 plus 3 1 by 2 1 by 3. Here 5 minus 1 by 6 plus 3 3 jar 9 plus 1 10 by 3. So here 1 is there. So 6 and 3 and 1 LCM is 6. Here 5 into 1 6 times goes 6 minus 1 into 6 1 time go 1 plus 3 into 3 2 jar 6 2. Now 6 5 jar 30 minus 1, 1 is 1 plus 3 2 jar 6 by 6. Now 30 minus 1, 30 minus 1 equal to 29. 29 plus 6 is equal to 35. 35 by 6. So answer is, if we do mixed fraction, then answer come 6 35. 6 5 ja answer is 6 5 jar 30, remain 5. Answer is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Question number C, 3C. 11 1 by 2 minus 5 1 by 4 minus 3 1 by 8. 3 1 by 8. Now 12 11 2 ja 22, 22 plus 1 23. 23 by 12 2 minus 20 plus 1 21 by 4 minus 3 8 jar 24 plus 1 25 by 8. Now we take LCM. So here 2 4 and 8, LCM is 8. Here 23 into 2 4 jar 8. 2 4 jar 8 minus 22 into 4 2 jar 8 minus 25 into 8 1 is 8. Next 23 4 jar 23 4 jar 4 12 2 1 in my hand 8 1 9 92 minus 21 2 jar 42 minus 25 by 8. Now 92 minus 42 0 5 50 minus 25 equal to 25. So answer is here 25 by 8. Now we do mixed fraction. 8 25. 8 3 jar 24, remain 1. So answer is 3 1 by 8. 3 1 by 8. Now we solve. Exercise 7H. Sum word sums. First one is given, Sunny cuts off 3/8 of a paper strip. What portion of the strip is left? So, in one paper, Sunny cut 3/8. Question number 1. So, we take out what portion of the strip is left. So, we write the portion of the strip left is equal to how many paper strip was there? 1. From 1 he cut minus 3/8. He cut 3/8. So we take out what portion of the strip is left. That means minus what portion left we take out. One paper is there, one paper strip was there, but he cut 3/8 portion. So we take out the portion of the strip left. So we do minus. We know that if down nothing is there, then 1 is there. So 1 and 8 LCM is 8. Here 1 into 1 how many times go? 8 times. Minus here 3 into 8 1 is 1. Now 8 1 is 1 minus 3 1 is 3/8. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5/8. 5/8. So therefore 5/8 portion of the strip is left. Question number 2. Question number 2. Molly and Barun. Molly and Barun each eat 5/12 parts of a cake. What portion of the cake was left? So number 2, Molly ate 5/12. Then Barun eat also same. Barun eat also same 5/12 portion. So first we take out what portion of the cake left. First we take out the total portion of cake. Both Molly and Barun eaten. So we do plus 5/12 plus 5/12. LCM is 12. So 5 plus 5, 10/12. So both of them eat 10/12 portion of cake. Now we take out the portion of the cake left equal to one cake was there and they ate 12 by 10 by 12. They ate 10 by 12. Now here, if down nothing is there, we know 1 is there, so LCM of 1 and 12 is 12. Here 1 into 1 12 jar 12 minus 10 into 12 1 is 12. Now 12 1 is 12 minus 10 1 is 10 by 12. So 12 minus 10 is 2 by 12. If we cut with by 2, then 2 1 is 2 and 2 6 are 12. So answer is 1 by 6. So the portion of the cake left is 1 by 6. Next, question number 4. Raman bought 6 1 by 2 kg of flour and Radha bought 15 by 4 kg of flour. How much flour did they buy together? Who bought more flour and by how much? So number 4, first we take out how much flour did they bought together. So first we take out Raman bought 6.5 kg flour. Then Radha bought 15 by 4 kg flour. So first we take out total. Total means we do what? Plus 6 to plus 15 by 4 kg. So we do 6 to jar 12 plus 13 by 2 plus 15 by 4. So LCM is 4. 13 4 to jar 2 to jar 4 into 2 plus 15 into 4 1 is 4. Now 26 plus 15 by 4. Now 26 plus 15 is equal to 26 plus 15 is equal to 41. 41 by 4. So if we do mixed fraction, then come 10 1 by 4 10 1 by 4 kg. So total they bought 10 1 by 4 kg. Now we take out who bought more flours. Obviously there are 6 kg and there is 3 kg something, so obviously who Ramon bought more flour. Ramon bought more flour. How much more? Now we do this one minus this one. 6 1 by 2 minus 15 by 4. Now 6 2 ja 12 plus 1 13 by 2 minus 15 by 4. LCM we know 4, so 13 2 2 ja 4 minus 15 into 1. So 26 minus 15. 26 minus 15 by 4. Now 26 minus 15, 6 minus 5 is 1 and 2 minus 1, 11 by 5. If we do mixed fraction, then answer come 5 11. 5 2 ja 10, remain 1. So answer is 2 1 by 5 kg. So Ramon bought 2 kg or 2 1 by 5 kg more than Radha. So my dear student, this is the end of this